What's up guys, how you doing? Today I'm recording through the Canon M50. This is the new professional camera I just bought, planning to put a lot of things on it. Now, today we have the Alcatel 3X, and this phone is actually special for Alcatel because number one, it has 3 cameras. Number 2, it has aspect ratio of 20:9. So if you're familiar with the OnePlus 7T aspect ratio, this phone is similar to that. Now before we go any further, let's take a look at the spec here. It has a 6.52 inch screen for HD plus, 20:9 aspect ratio. It has a camera of 16 megapixels main camera, 8 megapixels ultra wide. Let me just use the zoom on the camera so you can see what we have here. So 16 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel of ultra wide, 5 megapixel of bokeh. It has 2.5D glass, so it's kind of similar to the P20 Pro. And we have a 128 gigabytes of ROM storage and 6 gigabytes of RAM, which is nice numbers. It has 8 cores. Now you might ask me, what are these 8 cores? We're gonna come to that later. And it has a good, actually great 4000 mAh battery. That's enough for you to work a lot. Now, the price of this phone, guys, the price is actually remarkable. So it's 599 Saudi riyals. If you want to convert that to a dollar, let me just think about it. It's around 170, 100 to $80. So you can convert that to the your current currency. Ask Google to convert that. Ask them around $170 how much it's going to be for your currency. So that's a crazy price, to be honest with you. Now let's take a look at what other specs they have here. It has 4G LTE. Let's specify the actual number or the CPU. So they said octa-core, but I know it's Helios. Okay, just keep in mind it's not a Snapdragon. Now everything else here, what the others, face key, fingerprint, screen protector. So it has a screen protector. Yeah, the guy in the store tried to sell me the screen protector, but it has one in the side. Why would you actually sell me that stuff? All right, so let's open up the box and see what's inside. This is what actually matters, is that what's inside the box, right? This is what we're trying to look for. All right, so okay, there you go. Oh, this is a tall phone, guys. If you're enjoying the Motorola One Vision, it's actually wider than the Motorola. Motorola is with widest phones, like 21:9. Here, let's remove the stickers. Let's remove the stickers. Yeah, let's remove them. There are some numbers over there. We don't want anyone to watch that. So to do so, let's just try this. Very, very kind of sticky. I love the color, by the way. It's a mix of green and some other color like oily green or stuff like that. This is some specific number or color profile. But there you go, guys. That's the phone. That's the Alcatel 3X. Take out this. That's the phone, guys. It looks really nice, and this is me on the camera on the back. But here, that's actually nice. It's a glass, and this is like, I believe it's hard plastic on the top. So let's take a look at the IOs. We have a headphone jack over here, and we have a small mic on the top. On the right side, we have SIM card stuff. So we need to open it to see it actually had a dedicated SD card. And there is a switch here, as you can see. There's a bottom here. I don't know, maybe it's a Google Assistant stuff. This is the first time Alcatel putting another button on the left side, so that's a good thing. By the way, guys, I'm trying to test the in-mic speakers to see if it's really worth it. Maybe I'm gonna upgrade it eventually, get better mic, but the built-in mic they might sound good. Okay, so we don't have the double dual SIM card and a single micro SD, so you have to swipe or maybe decide if you're going to use another SIM card or a micro SD card. So that's a good thing. At least it had a micro SD card. So that's on the left side. So on the back, we have a USB Type C, and we have a we have a speaker. So I don't think these are dual speakers, just one speaker probably, and the other one is a mic. Alright, so on the right side we have a volume up and down, typical one, and the power button. It didn't have this texture signature with Alcatel, that curvature over here. You know that if you have the Alcatel 3 to 2019, they have this beautiful curvature. It's not here anymore, but that doesn't matter anymore. Alright, so the camera, guys. The camera has a triple camera, 60 megapixel, 8 megapixel and 5 megapixel on the back. Fingerprint reader, as you can see on the top. We have a notch display. Let's try to open the phone to see how the notch looks like, because the screen is kind of dim. There you go. It's a very tiny notch. It's very similar to the OnePlus 7T notch, so it's not the 6 or the 7. It's very, very small and tiny, which is really great for such price, guys. You're getting something very budget-like, but at the same time very, very useful. So I really commend Alcatel for such a design. This screen is very, very, slippery. Anyways, that's the phone. Let's put it aside and see what we have in the box. We have papers, casual papers. What is this? That's the cover. It's a plastic cover, typical plastic cover. And we have the screen protector over here. It was with the booklets. So we have a nice screen protector for your phone. And they have more accessories, guys. We have USB Type C to USB here, one cable. And we have a headphone or earbuds. It's called earbuds. Let's see the quality. Yeah, it's not that good quality, guys. It's just there for you, if you want to use it. If you lose your main headphones, you can have this spare part for you. And the charger, which is, I hope it's a fast charger. We don't know. Let's take a look. We have some micro. Let's start. Now we have to see the capability of the M50, right? So let's kick out the zoom, 45mm zoom. Let's see if we can reach the words over here. Yep, we can. So it says here travel charger. It is 5.6 volt, 2 amps. So it's kind of fast charger, guys. It's around. Let me try if I can just get it even further. Yeah. So 5 volts, 2 amp. That's not fast. That's not fast. So yeah, it's not a fast charger, guys, but it's safe for you to charge. We're gonna do a charging test and see if it's actually this thing over here is useful. So yeah, we have to wait. We're gonna do a charging test later on. I'm gonna drop a lot of video for this phone, guys. So stay tuned. Keep on the bell icon, and because a lot of things are gonna go through this phone, because a lot of people are requesting this phone. So I do this for the people, At the end of the day, this is for the people, guys, and I respect that. I respect people who are interested in something and willing to, contribute for the channel. I'm willing to do the same thing for everybody. So let's just put this thing in the back. So that's it, guys. This is the Alcatel 3X 2019, and the phone looks nice. It looks light. It's not that light, like for example the 1S. The 1S is way lighter than this one, but this looks way taller and bigger. So that's actually beautiful. Oh, look at this. Oh, you cannot see this because the it's so. Let me just try to reduce it. I cannot reduce it, so I have to go through the Android section. But I wanted to show you the screen. It's very, very bright. But anyways, I'm gonna do that in the quick settings section coming afterwards. So thank you guys for watching this video, and if you like it, please like, share, and subscribe. See you guys later.